from Unit 2 about climate change, prepared and presented by your teacher, Mr. Salim Ashur. We need to talk. This is serious. First of all, tell me everything about shopping. Is it something good? The answer might be yes or no. Actually, all of us definitely like shopping and possessing new things. However, is there a dark side, especially when we focus on marine life? Unfortunately, consumerism means trash everywhere, and the result might be cruel. So let's read 3 facts about plastics. Fact number 1. Every year we put 8 million tons plastic into the oceans. Fact number 2. Hundreds of thousands of marine animals die per year because they eat or become trapped in plastic. Fact number 3. It is predicted that by 2050 there will be more plastic in the oceans than fish. We are going to read an opinion. In order to have a general idea, we should read the title and topic sentences, which are the first sentences in each paragraph. Also, we should look at the pictures. This reading technique is called skimming, so let's apply it in the next task. The task consists of reading and matching. Read the essay again, match paragraph 1 to 4 to their functions A to D. We have the technique consists of reading the title. We should use less plastic to protect our oceans. Do you agree or disagree? And here we have 4 paragraphs. Paragraph number 1, we have the topic sentence. Our oceans are under threat because of plastic pollution. Here we have 4 options. Present an idea, present another idea, summarize, or explain the topic. Definitely D is the correct answer. Here it explains the topic, or you explain the topic in your own words and state your opinion. And here the opinion. I believe that we must use less plastic to protect the oceans. Paragraph number 2. Read the topic sentence. One reason why we should use less plastic is that plastic pollution is dangerous to both marine life and humans. Of course, paragraph number 2, it presents an idea. Let's look at paragraph number 3. The topic sentence says another reason, so it's present another idea. Paragraph number 3, present another idea. And finally, paragraph number 4, we have to sum up, means to summarize. Good. So, as you can see, this technique, the skimming technique, works perfectly with. Now let's have a review of the language we saw previously. Read the essay again and find the following items: 2 phrasal verbs, 2 compound nouns, 2 examples of cause and effect. Of course, if anyone didn't understand the meaning of the expressions written in bold letters, he should refer back to previous lessons in order to understand what do they mean. So let's start with phrasal verbs. You can stop the video and find two phrasal verbs from this text. Here we go. So phrasal verbs we have in paragraph number 3, thrown away and up in. Then two compound nouns. We have plastic pollution, plastic waste, plastic bottles. Then two examples of cause and effect. We have plastic waste such as packaging, cups and straws is lightweight. This is the cause, the effect. So it often gets blown or washed into the ocean. The second example, many marine animals die as a result of getting tangled in plastic or eating plastic. Tangled here means trapped. Good. Now, we have a project. So let's discuss the following questions. Look at the 4 reusable shopping bags below. Discuss the questions about the bags with your group. Question number 1. Which design do you like the most and why? This is a personal question, so students can choose any design, but what is important is to give their reasons. For instance, someone might say design 1 the most, or someone might say I like design 1, plants, fresh air that dominates all our planet. Question number 2. How does the message on each bag connect to climate change? Actually, messages 1, 2, and 3 represent taking action. Number 1, planting trees. Number 2 and 3, reducing burning fossil fuel. However, in number 4, it states a fact that raises our awareness about the danger of plastic pollution. Let's see question number 3. What do you notice about the slogans on bag 1 and 3? Do you think this is effective? This is the first slogan. Let's go green and keep the planet clean. Keep your future bright. Turn off the light. Concerning these two slogans, we note the use of rhyming words, green, clean, and bright, light. This would be definitely effective because it is easier to memorize. Now, let's listen to one of the designer speaking about his bag. You should tell me which bag. So look at these bags attentively. Then listen and try to do this task. Read the statements. You can stop the video, and if you want to listen, just play it again. Here we go.
Listening 2.8.
Hi, I'm Rashid. I'm going to tell you about the design of my reusable shopping bag. When you design a bag like this, there are several things you should think about. Firstly, the slogan or message should be short, simple, and direct. My slogan is just one short sentence. Let's go green and keep the planet clean. My slogan also rhymes. This makes it memorable, but it is not essential. Secondly, you should think about your image. The image should be easy to understand and reflect your message. Thirdly, the color of your bag should connect to your message. I chose green because it is associated with living an eco-friendly lifestyle. Finally, you should make your bag from a material that is strong and environmentally friendly.
Good. So let's check your answers. Think of a slogan that A is memorable, is simple and direct, or rhymes. The correct answer is B. Good. Number 2. Choose an image that is A. complicated, B. large, or C. easy to understand and reflects your message. Yes, C is the correct answer. 3. Choose a color that you like. B. Looks good. C. Connects to your message. Good. C is the correct answer. 4. The material. B. The bag. C. The design you choose should be strong and environmentally friendly. A is the correct answer. 5. Rashid designed bag number, of course, number 1. Now, my dear students, you should plan your work by answering some guiding questions. Then you will have to do a project. So, the plan: work with your group, brainstorm ideas for your reusable shopping bag design, and answer the questions below. Question number 1. What is the overall message of your bag about? 2. What image will be on your bag? 3. What is your slogan? 4. What colors will you use on your bag? 5. What material will your bag made from? We have a learning strategy. Be creative. Try to think outside the box about how you will present your design. Your illustration can be a drawing, a collage, a digital illustration, a 3D model. Your written explanation can be presented as a paragraph, bullet points, or a spider diagram. Then you are going to have an example of a project. In your group, choose one idea to develop into a design. Create and write a short explanation about the design of your bag. Look at the example below to help you. This is the design, so students think about how to design their eco-friendly bags or reusable shopping bag, and try to think about a slogan. Also write a paragraph where they should explain the important issues about their choice. So let's read this together. Our reusable shopping bag. The message on our reusable shopping bag is about the plastic pollution in the ocean. We chose this message because we live near the sea and see a lot of plastic pollution. The image on our bag shows plastic bottles instead of fish in the ocean to represent the problem. For our slogan, we chose a fact because we feel this information is quite shocking and it is important that people know how serious this issue is. Our main color is blue to represent the ocean. Finally, the bag will be made of recycled plastic bottles because this is an eco-friendly material. And if we recycle plastic bottles, fewer will end up in the ocean. So, this is an attempt to introduce reusable bags made from palm tree leaves. It is mentioned, "Use me, I am eco-friendly." There is a slogan that says, "Feel free and save a tree." This means that we care about our planet and the endangered animals as well, so that all of us can stay safe. Unfortunately, there is another side, which is dark, where our lives might come to a tragic end. Our passivity and carelessness would result in dirty environment full of diseases, chaos and decay. So take your time and think, would you accept this gloomy situation or would you act positively and amazing, heal the world, make a better place for you and for me and the entire human race? Fortunately, good news comes from Oman because single-use plastic bags are banned from the 1st of January 2021. Many thanks for taking such a decision so that our environment remains exciting, beautiful and clean. This is the end of this presentation. Please check your homework on your Google Classroom and all the best.